Hello children, so in the last class I have sent you notes, first lesson notes, and I have explained some of the topics, and in that almost all I have covered the lesson, and the constructions I have not done. Okay, I have given in the notes but I have not explained for you. Okay, how to construct I have not taught for you, so that I am explaining now. Okay children, now see here I will show the pages already I have sent in the note. That means what and all I am going to teach in now. Okay, so locate root 2 on the number line. Okay, that I am going to show you how to locate root 2 on the number line. Okay, in that by Pythagoras theorem, how to find out OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square, and OB square is equals to OA square is how much? 1. OA square is 1. Okay, 1 square plus AB square is 1 square. Okay, now 1 plus 1 is how much? 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. OB square is equal to 2, then OB equal to root 2. So similarly, we can locate root 3 on the number line. Okay, so that I have done here. I will explain now from means in the plain paper. I will construct and show how to construct it. Then for that, by Pythagoras theorem, OC square is equal to OB square plus BC square. OC square is equal to, so here in the diagram you can see children, OC square, OC, this is OC, OC square is equal to OB square plus BC square. Okay, OB square plus BC square. In this, OC square is equal to OB square. No, how much is that? Already we have done in the previous construction. So OB square is equal to root 2 whole square plus BC square is equal to 1 square. So root 2 whole square, square root will get cancelled. So we'll get 2 plus 1 square is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. OC square is equal to 3. OC is equal to root 3. Okay, this is how we have to write. We have to find out by Pythagoras theorem. And the number line, how to construct, I will explain now. Okay, so likewise, even I have given in the notes, locate root 5 on the number line. So this also is there. And by Pythagoras, how to take that OB square, that OB square, that is square of on hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. Is it not? That is a Pythagoras theorem. So OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. So OA square is what? 2 square. Okay, we have to take 2 square. OA square is what? 2 square. 2. Okay, 2 square plus AB square. AB square is 1 we have taken. So that is 1 square. So 2 2s are how much? 4 plus 1 square is 1. OB square is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. OB equal to square root of 5. This is how we have to find out by Pythagoras theorem, children. And then we have one more construction here, classroom activity. Okay, constructing the square root spiral. So now that means I told root 2, root 3, root 5. Okay, likewise we can construct, we can make a spiral, square root spiral. Okay, square root of 2, 3, square root of 4, square root of 5, square root of 6, square root of 7, square root of 8, square root of 9. Like that we can make a complete spiral. That means the complete like a circle type we will get. Okay, so let us try that also. I will explain that, children. Now let us go for, so this is what, and still more constructions are there. Let me see this first. Let me explain this one, then further we'll go for next constructions. Okay children, now how to locate root 2 on the number line. Just all of you look at this. Okay, root 2. So on the number line they have given. So you all know how to draw number line. Yes or no, children? So now this is what the number line. Okay, so here number line, this is number line. Let us mark. So here we have to take in the scale measurement. Using the scale 1 centimeter we have to mark. This is 1 centimeter, 1, 1 centimeter, 1. Like this, we have to make divisions using the scale. 1 centimeter, we have to mark. Equal division should be there, that is equal measurement. Okay, equal measurement. So you can see here we have equal divisions. Okay, now I am marking here it is 0. Okay, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, etc. And this side, what we get here on the number line, what we have to write? Yes, it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Okay, children. Now, come back to this 0. Okay. See, on the number line, we have here 0. Okay. And then next number is 1. So, positive number we have to take 1. So, 0 to 1. How much is the centimeter? How much is the unit we have chosen here? 1. Yes or no, children? So, this one 0 to 1, let us say 0.0. Okay, 0.0 as O. Okay, and 1 as A. 1 point as A. So, O, A. Okay, O, A. Understood, children? This is 1 unit. What I will do now is, I will take the protractor with the help of the protractor. What I'll do, on point A, that is 1. Okay, 1 point is there. No, there. From there, I will mark 90 degree. I will mark 90 degree. So perpendicular we need. Okay, I will mark 90 degree. So on A, point A, on this, how much we have to draw? 1 centimeter we have to draw. Okay, children. So 1 centimeter. So here from the scale 1 centimeter I will mark. Okay, children. So then draw that 1 centimeter. Okay, children. Now what we have to do is call that point as B. Okay, and with the help of the scale again join OB. Join OB. Okay, now after joining, so we got here what type of triangle? Right angle triangle, that is OAB. Okay, now what we have to do is, with the help of the compass, measure OB, measure OB, and with the help of that means O as center and OB as radius. We measure now that OB as radius. Draw an arc which cuts the number line. Draw an arc which cuts the number line. So you can see here, children, clearly, which cuts the number line, and this B also, it should cut B as well as through that B we have to draw number line, on the number line, which cuts on the number line. Okay, so that point what we got here, this point, this is what this is, will give, that gives what? Root 2, the value of root 2. So that means you can observe here, children, root 2 value, we know that 1.14 something. Okay, so that means between 1 and 2 we get. Okay, so this is the value of root 2. So OB, how we will get OB? By Pythagoras theorem, I told, is it not? Now let me see once again, I will explain to you. Okay, here it is, since it is right angle triangle, so we can apply what? Pythagoras theorem. So in that right angle triangle, you know what is hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse is OB. So OB square, yes or no? OB square is equal to OA square. OA square plus AB square. Yes or no? The square and the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. Now what is OA? We have taken OA as what? 1. Okay, so 1 square. Okay, plus AB. AB is what? 1. I have taken 1. I measured 1. Yes or no? So 1 ones are 1 plus 1 ones are 1. That is equal to 2. So OB square is equal to 2. Then OB is equal to what? square root of 2. Yes or no, children? So this is the value, that is the OB value what we got here, square root of 2. So I think all of you understood, children. Okay, children. Now let me teach root 3 still more clearly. Okay. So then here in root 3 again we are repeating. That means I am repeating how to teach this root 2, how to construct root 2. That means how to construct root 2. Okay. So that comes here. So I am explaining this one. So this is for this what we need a number line. Yes or no? So this is a number line. Let me draw this number line. Okay, then after that you all know we have to make divisions. That is each division is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Each division is what? 1 centimeter. We have to mark like this using the scale. Then after this draw arrow mark here. Okay, now let us say somewhere you take you consider as 0 1 2 3 4 like that. Then this side minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Okay, minus 5. Okay, children. Now here first what we have to do to construct just now I explained to construct this one square root of 2 on the number line. Okay, so here on, that means 1 is there, no? On the number line 1 is there, is it not? So on 1, that means we have marked 1, is it not? Straight to that there. Okay, number line as a base, is that no? And that you just that means adjust the protractor and mark 90 degree. Okay, now after this take scale and then using this scale on 1, okay, draw, that means 1 centimeter. Draw, how much you have to draw? 1 centimeter, is it not? 1 centimeter like this. Okay, now call that as 0 1, got na? 0 1. Then call this as OA. We have marked the OA and this is B. Now join OB. Correct? Join OB. This is 1 unit we have taken. This is 1 unit. So we'll get what? Again we have to take the OB as radius. OB measurement you have to take, and then after that what we have to do, through this OB, okay, we have to cut an arc. OB as radius, cut an arc. So what we got here? Square root of 2, the value of square root of 2. Yes or no, children? So then OB is equal to how much we got? Square root of 2 by Pythagoras theorem that I explained in the just now I explained. Yes or no? Now further, now we need root 3. No, I constructed root 2. Okay, with the help of root 2 what we constructed. So on that only I am trying to construct root 3. Now root 3 how to construct? So what we have to do is, so here OB we have, is it not, children? OB, with the help of the protractor, OB as base, O as center and OB as base. You can see, children, clearly. O as center and OB as base. Okay, mark, how much you have to mark? Mark 90 degree. Okay, children. Now after marking 90 degree, so you have to from B, O as center I said, no? So no, actually this one B as center. Okay, B as center. You have to take B as center, B as center and OB as radius. You have to mark 90 degree. B as center, OB as radius, we have to mark 90 degree. Now, so here from B, mark 90 degree, no? From there you have to mark 1 centimeter, children. To mark 1 from here 1 centimeter, like this. Okay, children. Now marked. Now with the help of the scale draw a line. Okay, joins from B, you have to join and call that point as C. Now join O, okay, OC, join OC. Now we got here OBC, which is right angle triangle. Okay, B is 90 degree, is it not? So therefore, since angle B is 90 degree, therefore OBC is a right angle triangle we got. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, here OBC in triangle OBC, angle OBC is equal to how much, children? 90 degree. Yes or no? So this is 90 degree. Therefore we can write here according to Pythagoras theorem, which is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse in right angle triangle OBC is OC square. Yes or no? OC square is equal to OB square plus BC square, children. BC square. Now OC square is how much, children? OC square we have to find out, is it not? Right as it is, OC square is equal to OB square. Just now we found, is it not? What is that? Square root of 2. Yes or no? Square root of 2 whole square plus BC square. Just now I took, is it not? I measured how much? 1 centimeter. Is it not? So 1 square. Okay, children. Now square root of 2 whole square is what? Square and square root will get cancelled. What we get here? 2 plus 1 ones are how much? 1. That is equal to 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Now OC square is equal to 3 we got. Then what is OC? What is OC? OC is equals to square root of 3, children. This is how we have to construct root 3 on the number line. Okay, children. Understood? Okay. Now next is, this is what? Root 2, root 3 we understood. Now next is, let us locate root 5 on the number line. Okay, let us locate root 5 on the number line. How to locate root 5 on the number line? Okay, so for that we have to take same, okay, same as it is like last root 2, root 3 we did, no? Like that we have to draw what? Number line. Okay, let us draw a number line here. We draw. Okay. Now let me mark. Okay, each should be how much, children? 1 centimeter. Okay, each division should be 1 centimeter. Correct? Each division should be 1 centimeter. Like this. Draw like this neatly. You have to draw. That means you have to construct in a classwork. Okay, children. Now next is, let me take this as 0, 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, okay, 5. Then this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. Okay. Now what we have to do is, to construct root 5, we have to take, okay, see, first to construct root 2, root 3 and all, first we measured 0 to 1, we took 0 to 1. Now I will tell why I am taking like this. Okay, I will take from 0 to, that is from 0 to 2 I'll take. Okay, from 0 to 2 we have to take. Now let me take 0 to 2, 0, point 0 as O and point 2 as A I will mark. Okay, I will mark this one. Okay, now let me take this protractor. With the help of the protractor, okay, 2 point is there, no? I have marked now as A, correct? So from there, let me mark how much? 90 degree, because we need here perpendicular line. We have to construct right angle triangle. Okay, children. Now from this, how much we have to measure? From 90 degree to this one, we have to measure how much? 1 centimeter. Let me measure 1 centimeter from 8. Okay, 1 centimeter like this. Okay, mark this as 1 centimeter. Call this point as B, children. Okay, then now what you have to do is now what we have to do, we have to draw OB. Okay, OB like this. Okay, now so this is from 0 to 2. How much we have taken? 2 centimeters, children. Yes or no? 2 centimeter. And AB have taken here, I have marked 1 centimeter. Yes or no? Okay, now after this let me measure OB. Okay, to measure what we have to do, OB measure. Okay, take and OB as radius. Okay, OB as radius. Now cut an arc, which that means cut an arc which passes through the number line. It should cut, which has to cut number line. Okay, children. Now what is this? A, point A. That means the arc cuts between where 2 and 3. Okay, not between, that means the not in the middle. Okay, it is what this point, this arc shows us, tells us the value of root 5. Okay, children, the value of root 5. That means 2 point something. Okay, 2 point some digits will get there. Okay, children, so this is the value of root 5. Now by Pythagoras theorem, we can decide that OB is root 5. How, children? So let me see here. In right angle triangle, okay, A O B A R, A B O also we can take. Okay, angle AB, sorry, angle OAB is equal to how much? 90 degree. Okay, children. Now by Pythagoras theorem, which is a hypotenuse OB. Yes or no? So OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. Okay, children. Now OB square we have to find out. Okay, OB square is equal to OA square is how much, children? We have measured how much? 2 centimeter, 2 square, plus AB square we have measured how much? 1 centimeter, so 1 square. That is equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1. That is equal to 5. So OB square is how much we got here? 5. OB is equal to how much, children? Square root of 5. Okay, this is square root of 5. Now, so so far we studied root 2, root 3, root 5. Now I want to give classroom activity, that also I will teach how to construct, and you have to construct in your classwork. Okay, children, classroom activity, constructing the square root spiral. It is very easy. Okay, just already we know how to construct root 2, root 3 and root 5. So we have to try that only. Okay, so now let me draw what we have to draw, number line. Okay, children, you all know now. Okay, so number line, draw number line like this, and we have to mark 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or 8 9 like this. Okay, children, to mark like this. Okay, now let me write here. Okay, 0 here. Okay, children. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 like that. Okay, this side -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. Okay, like this. Now square root of 2, we have to find out square root of. So first what we have to take, with the help of the protractor. Okay, 0 to 1 is what? O, 0 as O and then 1 as A. Okay, now take the protractor, with the help of the protractor, A as center. Okay, number line as baseline, mark 90 degree. Okay, mark 90 degree. Now we have to draw a line which measures 1 centimeter. Okay children, on this number line. Okay, on this perpendicular line. Okay, now I am marking 1 centimeter on the perpendicular line and I am drawing that. Okay, call that point as B children. Okay children, now next what next step is, we have to join the help of the scale OB. Okay children, OB. Okay, now OB as what? O as center and OB as radius. We have to construct, that means we have to draw an arc which cuts the number line between 1 and 2. Okay children, like this, between 1 and 2. Now next is, okay, this is what we have done here. We have located root 2 on the number line. Okay, similarly what we have to do is root 3 we have to locate. So root 3, how to locate root 3? So with the help of the protractor. Okay, now B as center and OB as radius. Listen carefully. B as center and OB as radius. Okay, OB as radius. We have to draw a perpendicular. We have to mark first 90 degree, then we have to draw perpendicular line children. Okay children, now next, now B as center, from B we have to draw 1 centimeter. Okay children, this is how much? 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter I am drawing here. Okay, I am calling that as C. Okay, and I am joining what? OC. Okay, now what is this? Root 3 we get. So before that, what you have to do? You have to what is this? To measure OC, and you have to draw that arc. Okay, you have to draw arc which comes between 1 and 2 children. Okay, now next is this is what we got here, root 3 children. This is root 3. Now again with the help of the protractor. Okay, now next what we have to locate root 2 over root 3 over. Now next is root 4. Okay, so now OC as baseline and C as center. OC as baseline and C as center. Okay, mark 90 degree. Mark 90 degree. Okay, now draw line. Okay, line which measures 1 centimeter. Okay, which measures 1 centimeter. This. Okay, call this point as D. Okay children, now join OD. Join OD. Okay, now next what you have to do next? Now OD through, that means OD as a radius. Okay, OD as radius, we have to draw an arc which exactly cuts point 2. You can see children here, which cuts point 2 on the number line. Understood children? We know square root of 4. What is the value of square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. Okay children, this is square root of 4. So that is why the arc cuts on the point 2. Okay children, next, what is next? See children, this is nothing but what? Spiral, square root spiral. Okay, now how to do next? What? Square root of 4 over, next comes what? Next is what? Next is, tell me, next is what? Next is square root of 5 children. Okay children, now OD as baseline and D as center, mark 90 degree. Okay, mark 90 degree and draw on this perpendicular line, draw 1 centimeter, children. On this perpendicular line, draw 1 centimeter. Like this. Okay, now join that line. Okay, now what you have to do, draw O, call that point as E. Okay, now join O, E, OE. Okay, this is what square root of 5. Okay children, now see square root of 5, it is it comes between 2 and 3. Yes or no? That means 2 point some digits. Okay, so OE, measure OE and E as center. Okay, draw an arc like this. See here, which comes between 0, so 2 and above 2 you are getting. Okay, next, this is what square root of 5, children. Now square root of 6. So to draw square root of 6, what we have to do? Now we have to take what, children? OE as baseline. OE as baseline, and we have to construct perpendicular 90 degree. Okay, OE as baseline and E as center. Okay, now we have to draw a line which measures 1 centimeter on this. Okay, 1 centimeter on this. Okay, now we have to call that point as F. Okay, and then draw, now join O, F. Okay, now call that as square root of 6. Okay, next what we got is square root of 6. So now we have to draw an arc where it will come square root of 6 also, 2 point something we get, that is between 2 and 3. Whether we are getting between 2 and 3, let us see now. So here you can see CHL, children, here see above 2 you are getting. Okay children, like this you can try, that means again 7 also. Okay, this is nothing. Okay, 7 also will do off. Okay, now what we have to do is here, with the help of the protractor again, see the protractor comes like this, OF as baseline. Okay, OF as baseline. Okay, we have to mark how much, children? 90 degree, correct? 90 degree, and then 1 centimeter we have to mark. Yes or no, children? 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter. Then join, call that as G, join OG, okay, and that what we got here is root 7. Okay children, root 7. So now what is the value of root 7 we are getting here? So children, here from here G, so children, like this, between 2 and 3. So like this, this is called what? So you can do like this, square root of 8, square root of 9 also you can do it. So till square root of 8 is enough. Square root of 7 I have done. Further you can do it, children. So this is very interesting, is it not? So constructing the square root spiral. Okay, this is a classroom activity. This classroom activity you can do in a homework notebook. In which book you have to do, children? You have to do in homework. Okay, in homework notebook, this classroom activity you do it. Okay, so okay, this is what. Hope you all understood, children. Thank you.